Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to find your YouTube channel ID. Okay, you can see this here right now. I have opened my profile, that is youtube.com/@author Shraddha. Okay, now what you need to do, you can just see right hand side top corner there is your DP. Click there, go to settings. Downside you can see settings is there. Click on settings. Then from settings you need to get into your advanced settings. Okay, I'll tell you two methods. Okay, this is first method, that is a bit lengthy. It will take multiple steps. Okay, here you can see user ID is there, then your channel ID is there. Okay, now just see this UCQUR. Okay, now I'm going to tell you another way. Go to your ID. You can see YouTube Studio. Click there. Once you'll click on YouTube Studio, okay, you can just see this. Now you can see this is your you can see here, this is your channel ID. Okay, so this you can just copy paste and you can use, you can see UCQUR. Okay, that we checked a few minutes back. Okay, I need to get into YouTube again to show you. Okay, let's just get into YouTube. Okay, okay, here you can just see it right here. Okay, I'm just clicking on my channel. Okay, now you need to get into again your DP, then settings, then from settings you need to get into your advanced settings. Okay, and here you can see UCQUR3JC91RGT. Okay, I have just showed you this UCQUR3JC9IRGT. It's same. Okay, so this method is easy because you just need to get into your YouTube Studio, and then you will be able to see this inside your in the URL. Okay, here just copy it, use it if you are filling any survey, or if you are doing it or using, if you need it for any purpose, for maybe personal purpose or whatever things are there. So yeah, I just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye and take care.